Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a link to an image in WordPress. Let's begin. First, go to the official WordPress website, click on Login, and sign in using your Google account. From your dashboard, head over here, click on the Edit site to access the editor where you can make the changes. Find the image you want to link. So I'm going to select this so we can activate more settings and look at the toolbar at the top. All right. So over here, this is where my toolbar is. We can now click on this particular icon, which says link. Then make sure to paste the URL you would like to add to this image, or you can easily type the link over here. You can now easily click on enter and it will automatically uh, save for you. So here we have the option to edit this if we've made any mistake or if we want to update this. We have the option to remove link and more options right over here. But that's it. You have now successfully linked an image in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.